Environmental psychology literature details the extent to which physical settings, including the height of ceilings, the color of walls, levels of natural light, views from windows, and temperature can have a dramatic impact on everything from motivation to energy levels. Taking the recognized impacts of the environment on human behavior into account makes sound academic sense when creating a space where everyone can be comfortable and productive. What do 21st century teaching and learning environments look like? They are places that should be consistently evolving with research and educational trends. They are areas for people to be social and connect with each other. With internet access available to every patron, they have opportunities to study and gain global knowledge. For many people who utilize what the library can offer, it can redefine their entire library experience. 21st century libraries make room for everyone. For anyone who wants to collaborate, do research activities, create something new, or have traditional quiet time to think or read independently. Some people might think the phrase working independently contradicts the new age library trend, when really the trend literally means we make space for everyone and how they choose to be productive. The key principles of library space planning are giving patrons a choice of how and where they want to utilize the space, while also minimizing giant stacked barriers and signs with nothing but large print rules on them. The space should maximize natural light and create seating areas with longer views through the building. The different types of resources and/or collections should be showcased and easily accessible to patrons and offer non-traditional seating areas like bars or movable couches. Overhead layouts can be effective in showing how every space in the building can be utilized to maximize productivity. But also, it can show where useful or needed equipment can be located. In conclusion, the principles behind updating any school library space should be rooted in supporting the learning philosophies of the school, making current technology through multi-use platforms available to all patrons, and promoting a space that encourages collaboration.